It worked! It worked! It worked!
What worked?
It worked!
Austin, what worked?
I've got to call the president. I've got to call
The president?
The president, no. The National Science Corporation.
Does that even exist?
I need to go straight to the media. I'm gonna be famous!
Famous for what?
With this, I have surpassed every great scientist known to man. Isaac Newton, Charles Darwin.
Charles Darwin?
Yeah, you're right. His theories were quite asinine. With this, I am the greatest scientist of all time.
Austin, what have you done to claim yourself as the greatest scientist of all time?
Yeah, shouldn't your sister and girlfriend be the first to know?
I've got to go make sure it works. I gotta go test it again.
Austin! Austin, why? Where are you going?
I'm going to test my time machine.